Alright, this is example 2 in joint variation. Solution. Here P varies directly as Q and inversely as R squared. So it becomes P varies directly as Q, then as inversely as R squared. So it becomes over R squared. The next thing is to get the constant out or equal to KQ over R squared. So that's the relationship here. So the next thing is to when x is q, when q is 5, when r is 3, and when p is 20, you have to find p. Now, before you find p and r here, you have to find their relationship, find their constant first. Even if you're not asked, you have to find their constant first, find the relationship before you can start solving for other variables. So, very fast. Now, p there, my p here is 20, my k is unknown, my q here is 5, so it becomes times 5 over 3 square, which is r here is 3. So it becomes here, everything becomes here, becomes 20 equals to 5k over 9. So I will cross multiply, I will have 5k times 1, which is 5k, and I'll have 20 times 9, which is 180. So I'll divide process by 5. My k is now equals to 36. My relationship now for this part here becomes q is equals to 36 q over r squared. Now this becomes my relationship. This is how we solve for a and b. So very fast now. To find a now, to find p is equals to, say p, find p when q is 6 and when r is 4. So very fast, 36 times 6, which is q is 6 and r is 4 squared. So what I'll do, I'll break it down, be easier for me to solve. 36 times 6 over 16. So very fast, or I'll just do 4 times 4 as usual. Well, 4 squares, 4 times 4. 4 here is 1, 4 here is 9, 2 here is 2, 2 here is 3. So very fast, I'll have 9 times 3, which is
27.
9 times 3 over 2, which is 27 over 2. And if I break it down, I'll have an improper fraction here. I'll convert it to the mixed number, which is 13 and a half or 13.5, as the case may be. Now b, I'll find r here. Now to find r here, because p is solid formula, which is this 36q over r, I'll try and make r subject formula. I'll cross multiply first. I'll have p r squared equals to 36q. So I will divide both sides by p. I'm left with r squared 36q over p. Before I find the square root, I'll just use the solve first, then I'll later find the square root of r squared and the answer I get. So from there, I will substitute p as 21 3 over 5 and q as 15. It becomes 36 times 15 over p, which is 21 3 over 5. So I'll have equals 36 times 15 over, I want to just break it down here first. I'll have 21 times 5 is 108. 108 plus 3 is, sorry, 21 times 5 is 105 plus 3 is 108 over 5.
5.
So I'll bring it out as 36 times 15. This 5 automatically goes up. When you're doing fractions, this 5 here, go half numerator, denominator, and another one here. So you take this 5 up. But if you don't understand fully how I moved this 5 up, you go to my previous videos. I have a video on fractions of how to divide fractions. Division of fractions is my previous video. So just go there, search for it, or I will even drop it in my description below there. So just look for it and watch it. How to divide fractions. It's easier for you to understand. So very fast, 36 can divide this one, 36 can divide this 108, give me 3. So 3 will give me 1, 3 will give me 5. So I'm left with 5 times 5 here. So it becomes 5 times 5, which is equals to 25. But remember, I have my r square here and I have my r square here. So r square is equals to 25. I'm not asked to find r square, I'm asked to find r. So I'll take the square root of both sides. So I'll have square root of r squared equals to square root of 25. My r becomes 5. So that's how we got 5 there as it. Now, very fast, for partial variation, I won't be doing partial variation on my maths basics. doing partial variation in my advanced math, that is maths advanced. So if you're waiting for it, hit my comment section and tell me you're waiting for that video. Thank you.